What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about information technology, and today we are going to learn about programming languages. So, before we are going to know about programming languages, first we need to know what is programming language. So it is a set of instructions written by a programmer to deliver instructions to the computer to perform and accomplish a task. So for example, if you are trying to write a hello world on the screen of the computer, what will you do? You have to know a programming language that computer can understand. For example, if you are trying to talk to any, American, any British person, you have to know English. If you are talking with an Indian person, you have to know Hindi so that you both can communicate, right? In the same way, when you are trying to communicate with computer, when you are trying to let computer do some task, for example, if you are trying to write hello world, you have to know a programming language that computer can understand and he can provide you the answer that, yeah, I want to write a hello world. And then computer will give you the answer. Yes, this is how you can write hello world. He will print the hello world on the screen. So for that, you need to know a programming language. There are so many types of programming languages. I am not going in details, but I want to just going to provide you some information about how many types of programming languages. But if you want to learn more about in details, then you need to follow my other videos on my YouTube channel so that you can learn more about all these types of programming languages. So there are five major types of programming languages. Number one is procedural. Number two is functional. Number three is object-oriented programming languages. Number four is scripting languages. Number five is logic programming languages. I'm not going in details. So for now, you just need to know how many types of programming languages? Five. And you need to remember what are those types. All right. And then we have some front-end programming languages, and then we have a back-end programming languages. What is front-end programming language? Front-end basically is the user interface. In a simple word, in a simple words, when you are trying to show something to a user, right, on the screen, this called front-end programming. You have to, whatever you are trying to write on the front end, on the user interface of the computer, This called front-end programming language. There are 8 types of front-end programming languages. Major. There are many, but major 8 types of front-end programming languages. Number one is hypertext markup language. Number two is cascading style sheets. Number three is JavaScript. Number four is React. Number five is Angular. Number six is Vue. Number seven is jQuery. And number eight is Swift. And if you want to learn more about these front-end programming languages in details, then you already know. Follow up my other videos where I am explaining in details each one of these front-end programming languages. All right, let's go to some back-end programming languages. Back-end is basically where you write the logic. For example, if you have a user interface and on their user interface you have a button. When you click that button, whatever action you are trying to do when you click that button, that's called backend programming language. If you are trying to store the data in the database, you need to have a logic. You have to write the logic so that computer can understand what you are trying to do. So this called backend programming language. There are 7 major types of backend programming languages. Number one is JavaScript. Number two is Python. Number three is Java. Number four is Ruby. Number five is PHP. Number six is C Sharp. And number seven is Perl. I am not going in details about these backend programming languages. If you want to know more in details, you can follow up my other videos where I am explaining all these programming languages in details. So that's all for now. I hope you guys learned some useful information from this video. If you get some information from this video, then make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and also do share with others so that they can also learn something about information technology and about programming languages. That's all for now. I will then see you guys in the next video. Bye.